All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Manover Market, and today is August 12th, and the world is melting, according to China and the rest of the pundits out there. All right, yesterday I put up a picture on a profile of an unfinished bottom of 2056, and also I drew this crude triangle here. There's in the blue, uh, gen, the blue light blue colors here. So the market is tested down to 2053, looking for it to break out. I think if we can't sustain a rally today, we're heading down to the 2032 area, which we've talked about. And with all the negative news in the market, I'd be really hard pressed for me to see the bulls get back in control of this market today. I mean, it's just, it's going to be a really hard press for me to see that. Um, Overnight profile. We'll take a look at this. All right. We got. Let me make sure I reset the data. So here's our overnight profile. All right. We've got a high way up here of 2085. I mean, the break started from 2079. So we got all these single prints in here, right? And we're now currently trading. So, I mean, the market would have to seriously get bullish again. It'd have to get above, this where it started from here, 2080. So, I mean, you could use that as a bull bear zone if you're going to long term bull bear zone. But I actually am looking at the bull bear zone right about here at 26, right around here, 2061. We get back down through there, I think we'll test the lower end of the range. Okay, um, like I said yesterday, I put up an unfinished bottom right here at 2056 half, and it looks like we've did a good job and covered that overnight. We've got a lot of volume over here and stuff down in the 2051 area, but I think the market is probably heading down to the mid 2035 area. Now the key is, are we going to be able to do it today? So I'm a shorter. I'm going to short the market as long as we stay um, below that 2083, and I'm also using 2061 right here as my bull bear zone this morning to get uh, basically. If we get back under there, I think the market's going to go the other way. Um, let's take a look at what we're talking about as far as the bull bear zone and value. So we got 2082 quarter is the high of uh, value, 2071 quarter is the low of value. Um, where is my point of control? So I'm using 2061 as the bull bear zone. We've got the point of control at 2079 half. I probably didn't put it in right. Let me put it in right. Studies, edit here. Uh, that's why I got it at 2079.5. There we go. Should show up right now. There we go. Point of control at 2079 half. So for me, the market's going to have to get above value 2082 quarter for it to turn bullish again. I mean, here's where take a look at this big red dot line here. That's where we fell out of bed. I mean, will we return today, this morning? Will we return to this, which is the scene of the crime? All right. So, and then from here below 2061, will we go out and take the lows out? So I would expect a two-sided trade this morning. There's you got a high volume node here. Will it, make an attempt over here? So once again, you have to trade with the idea that you're going to look for failure before you initiate a position. Look for failure before you initiate a position. All right. All right. So here's another thing that's indicative of that the market's not looking very well. Bonds back up into 160.22 overnight. I've been saying this since they're down at 148. I don't think that the Fed is going to cut rates this year or raise rates this year. And now with the world and China and so on, I mean, like I said yesterday, if we raise rates, what will that do to the dollar? It's going to make the dollar stronger. And you already got China taking preemptive move on cutting the value of their currency. So, and that's affecting all the other Asian currencies. And gold is telling us they don't like the action, right? We go down there and we make the lows in the 70 area, 1065. We're back up to 1121. So remember when I tell you gold is a demand product? Well, guess what? The demand is up now. Forget about inflation. It's not a hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against the world melting, and that's why I think you're seeing gold rallying right now. So remember, 1130 was the low this year before we took it out and went out down to the bottom. So gold is rallying. It's trading above value. I got a bull bear zone at 110860, 110860. So keep an eye on gold today. And then crude. Heard some people talking this morning. They think the bottom's in for a while. We've got our bull bear, so we're trading above value. 43.44 is here, is the high. 43.08 point of control. Using 43.03 as the bull bear zone, and I just think that I think with the productions, we're still going to get that one knee jerk reaction down, and to spook people, but I don't think oil is out of the danger or reached the bottom as of yet. This is only August, people. It's only August. All right, everybody, good luck trading, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.